Good morning, ministry family. It is a beautiful but already warm Friday morning here in Mesa. I am on my way to Mesa Community College. Kind of right in Taylor and I's backyard where we live in Mesa, to pick up 16 students that are going to come pack food this morning at Feed My Starving Children. So should be a fun morning, good time. Happy to have you guys join us and see what's going on today. So some of you guys may be wondering, what's Feed My Starving Children? What's that all about? Feed My Starving Children is one of my favorite organizations on the planet. In short, it's a Christian nonprofit that gets together volunteers all over the country. Some sites permanent. They travel around to other places, and you pack food that they donate to kids that are starving all over the world. Different ministry partners they have in different countries to help needy people out, which is super great. I love it, one, because they're helping kids all over the world, and two, the way they're doing that is they're getting people together to pack the food that are just volunteers in different places. So it can be kids as young as 5 all the way through, 100 years old, however old you want to be to pack. So pretty cool organization. Look them up, check them out sometime. So some of you might also be wondering, Aaron, how are you going to pick up, I think I said 16, it's actually 15 students. How are you going to pick up 15 students? Well, the answer is, I'm not going to pick up 15 students. I don't know if you can see it, but that bus over here is. We're going to take this down to Mesa Community College. I'm going to meet all of them at the bus stop, and we're going to head on over to Feed My Starving Children from there. So some of you guys may know, my wife and I, not too long ago, felt called to sell one of our vehicles. So we are a one-car house, which means during the week while she's at school, I'm a public transportation user. The public transit system down here is called the Valley Metro, and the reality is most international students are also doing the same thing because most of them don't have cars, and public transit is a lot more of a familiar thing in different countries around the world than it is here in the United States. Our systems usually aren't that great. Other places, they're pretty solid. And so for a long time, I kind of wondered why God wanted us to do that and why we felt like that's what we were supposed to do. But I'm starting to discover now it's because it allows me to help the students understand the system here, feel comfortable riding it with them, and timing and so forth. So yeah, this is a pretty cool thing that I get to do and something that I really enjoy doing. So here we are in the holding area. Our bus got us there on time, but we're getting instructions, getting ready to head back and pack some food. As you can see, we've arrived. We're packing food. Everybody say hi, what's going on? Hey! The crew is here. We are underway. Got to spend some time in prayer after we packed the food right here. Our session did a great job packing over 100 boxes, feeding nearly 70 kids for an entire year. All 16 of the Mesa CCI scholars ended up showing up. That's 16 international students representing 10 different countries, all pictured here. Had a great time. It was awesome. So our session is over. I didn't take too many videos during because I was just too excited and too engaged in having fun with the students, but everybody ended up showing up. A few came late, had some people that slept in. It happens, it's a Friday morning, but we had a great time, packed a lot of food. A lot of students want to come back and help out again, it sounds like, which is really fun. So they're all headed back. I'm headed to lunch. See you guys soon.